What's the difference between Riverdance and Lord of the Dance? If you have ever wondered about the difference between Riverdance and Lord of the Dance, you are not alone. These two shows are iconic representations of Irish culture and dance, but they each have their own unique flair. Let's break it down. Riverdance first made its mark in 1990 during the Eurovision Song Contest. It started as a short performance and quickly grew into a full-length show. The focus here is on traditional Irish step dancing. Riverdance showcases precise footwork and rhythm, staying true to its roots. The show features a mix of performers, including Irish dancers, musicians, and singers. You will even see influences from other dance styles like flamenco and Russian dance. One of the standout elements of Riverdance is its emphasis on live music and vocal performances. The show is all about the dance and the cultural heritage it represents. There is less focus on storytelling, which allows the dance itself to shine. On the other hand, Lord of the Dance was created by Michael Flatley, who was a lead dancer in Riverdance before branching out. This show takes a different approach, leaning more towards theatricality and showmanship. Lord of the Dance includes a dramatic narrative with characters like the Lord of the Dance and Morgan the Temptress. This storytelling aspect adds a layer that Riverdance does not emphasize. The style of Lord of the Dance is flashier, showcasing Michael Flatley's charismatic performance. You will see dynamic dance battles and a variety of Irish dance styles, including traditional step dancing and more graceful, ballet-like movements. The costumes and staging are often more elaborate and modern compared to Riverdance, making it a visual spectacle. When it comes to experiencing Irish culture while traveling in Ireland, both shows offer something special. Riverdance connects you to traditional Irish dance and music, showcasing the roots of Ireland's performing arts. Lord of the Dance, however, offers a more theatrical interpretation, highlighting how Irish dance has evolved into a global entertainment phenomenon. If you are interested in authentic Irish step dancing and musical tradition, Riverdance might be your pick. But if you are drawn to theatrical storytelling and high-energy performances, Lord of the Dance could be more appealing. Both shows celebrate Irish dance and culture, making them must-see attractions during your visit to Ireland.